The Titan HD is a high-resolution thermal imaging camera solution for evaluating system performance and troubleshooting a wide range of issues across a facility. Locate faulty fuses, circuit breakers, and other electrical issues to prevent equipment failures, maintain safety, and assist personnel in responding to problems quickly. Identify failing mechanical parts such as motors, bearings, belts, and more to enhance predictive maintenance. Inspect the performance of air conditioning vents and units to determine the source of HVAC airflow and equipment issues. Find air leaks caused by failing windows, leaky doorways, and loose ductwork. Locate areas of moisture intrusion and hidden water leaks in order to make informed decisions on repairs. The Titan HD features a 1.3 megapixel thermal detector capable of providing the sharpest 1280 by 1024 images, the truest temperatures, and the highest level of flexibility. Its high accuracy and sensitivity yields outstanding thermal imaging and helps organizations predict equipment lifespan and reduce costly repairs. Perform on-site analysis and generate reports on the go to reduce time at the office and complete projects faster. The 5.5-inch pivoting touchscreen and rotating viewfinder allows users to easily visualize hard-to-reach areas comfortably at any angle. Quickly adjust settings to receive audio and visual cues when temperature thresholds are exceeded to allow personnel to respond to problems quickly. The camera also comes with a 2-year warranty as well as virtual and on-site support. For more information, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, contact your ICI sales representative, and visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.